You know that the whip got 2 doors. My car better than my first like Uno. My neck flows like Pluto. Beat a nigga ass like sumo. Got a bad bitch, need 2 more. Free champagne in the limo. She got her head out the window.
Crock Pot Gumbo. First we gon' sear the sausage, Dearborn beef sausage. Then we got the Andouille sausage. Now we gonna cut it up in the chunks. We gonna fry it in the pan. Keep it going, nice flip. Got the 1 whole onion coming up. We gonna cut it. Add it with the sausage. Let it sear. Look at it. Searing real good, looking real good. Added it to the crock pot, put it on low. The onions and the sausage. Now we done added the chicken and shrimp. Now we adding all the vegetables with the roux, with the chicken broth. Looking real good. Look at it drip. The roux still a little thin. Let it cook 6 to 8 hours on low. Let it thicken up. Boom, there you go. Crock Pot Gumbo. Next we gonna make some Jiffy bread to go with it. Jiffy bread. Gonna mix the ingredients. There it go, mix. Look at the slow roll. Put it in the oven, about 400. Took it out, look at it, sweet. Now here we come, everything together. Crock Pot Gumbo. Try it out.
You know that the whip got 2 doors. My car better than my first like Uno. My neck flows like Pluto. Beat a nigga ass like sumo. Got a bad bitch, need 2 more. Free champagne in the limo. She got her head out.